All right, we told you about Ken Lewis's speech. Let's go to Chicago right now. Bloomberg's Eric Schatzker is standing by there at the National Urban League Conference after the Bank of America CEO has wrapped up his speech. Eric, we saw some headlines coming across the ticker. What points did Ken Lewis really hammer home on?
Well, Ken Lewis really wanted to explain to people what Bank of America's role is going to be in helping to revive the economy. Ken Lewis himself doesn't have a great track record when it comes to predicting economic growth, but he is, once again, willing to stake his reputation on a few forecasts. We've got that for you. Let's listen into what he had to say.
We do believe that the recession will come to an end in the second half of the year in terms of real negative growth and gross domestic profit. Even so, we expect unemployment to lag the economy and continue at high levels well into 2010.
Matt, Ken Lewis also told us that commercial banks, like Bank of America, do deserve some of the blame for building the credit bubble and then seeing it pop only to lead us into recession. But he said that the shadow banking system, mortgage lenders, unregulated mortgage lenders, hedge funds, etc., do deserve a good part of that blame. He wants to make sure that regulators and the public know that. He said that banks need to be deadly serious when it comes to modifying mortgage loans, or else we're not going to get out of the mess that we're in the residential housing market. Of course, commercial real estate, another matter altogether. He did not address that. He did say that banks are lending, contrary to what people have been reading. Bank of America has, in fact, extended $400 billion in credit through the first half. We chased him into a freight elevator to try to get more, Matt, but I'm afraid he was holding firm. That's it from Chicago. Back to you.
All right, Eric, thanks very much for that. Eric Schatzker in Chicago. He'll be back with us tomorrow morning.